Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Apple Watch with your iPhone. First, make sure your iPhone is running the most recent iOS version for optimal compatibility. Then, power on your Apple Watch and keep it close to your iPhone, ideally within a few inches. Open the Apple Watch application on your iPhone, and it should automatically detect your watch, prompting you to start the pairing process. This initial step is crucial for a smooth setup. Once your iPhone detects your Apple Watch, you'll see an animated cloud on the watch face. Use your iPhone's camera to scan this animation, which securely links the devices. You'll then have the option to set up your watch as a brand new device or restore from a previous backup if you've had an Apple Watch before. After agreeing to the terms, you'll create a 6-digit passcode for security, just like on your iPhone. If you encounter any difficulties during the pairing process, don't worry. A simple restart of both your Apple Watch and iPhone often resolves many common issues. Double-check that Bluetooth is active on your iPhone, as it's essential for the connection. Also, confirm that your Apple Watch has at least 50% battery charge, as low power can sometimes prevent successful pairing. These quick checks can save you a lot of time. After successful pairing, dive into customizing your Apple Watch. Use the Watch application on your iPhone to personalize watch faces, add useful complications, and arrange your app layout. For greater independence, you can enable cellular service directly through your iPhone settings, allowing your watch to make calls and stream music without your phone nearby. Explore the robust health and fitness tracking, from daily activity rings to advanced heart rate monitoring.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.